Why does your scanner show the P2234 engine code? What does it mean? P2234 is a diagnostic trouble code for 02 sensor signal circuit, shorted to heater circuit bank 2 sensor 1. The P2234 engine code indicates that PCM has detected a short circuit between the oxygen sensor's signal wire and its internal heating element on the side of the engine containing cylinder number 2. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: damaged or melted wiring, failed O2 sensor, corroded connector, blown heater, fuse, faulty PCM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Cadillac, BMW, and Acura. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.